Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this video, I'd like to talk about the most famous Glücksbringer fürs neue Jahr in Austria, meaning lucky charms for the new year. They are sold in supermarkets or special markets in many towns and villages all across the country. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know the most famous Austrian Glücksbringer for the new year. In Austrian German, lucky charms for the new year are called Glücksbringer für das neue Jahr. Glück means luck and neues Jahr is new year. In dialect you will often hear Glück or neues Jahr. Let's start with a very common one. The Glückspilz or Glücksschwammerl. Especially Schwammerl is a very Austrian word and means actually mushroom. But for the Glückspilz, the appropriate translation would be Toadstool. Some Glücksschwammerl are made of chocolate, others are made of plastic. Another important Glücksbringer is the so-called Rauchfangkehrer. Germans would say Schornsteinfeger. Rauchfangkehrer is chimney sweeper in English. The next famous Glücksbringer is the Glücksschwan, or the sweet form in Austrian German, Glücksschwammerl. Glücksschwammerl means lucky little pig in English. You can find Glücksschwammerl, which are made of chocolate, wood or plastic, almost everywhere around this time of year. Furthermore, Marienkäfer can be seen as Glücksbringer as well. Marienkäfer can be translated as ladybug in English. Additionally, Glücksmünzen are interpreted as lucky charms too. Münzen are the German word for coins. Although gold would be better, most coins are made of chocolate or plastic. Another famous lucky charm in the context of the new year is the so-called Hufeisen. Hufeisen can be translated as horseshoe in English. Last but not least, das vierblättrige Kleeblatt plays an important role when it comes to lucky charms around the new year. Vierblättriges Kleeblatt is four-leaf clover. I hope you're a bit more familiar with typical Austrian Glücksbringer around the new year. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.